Francesca reporting the news. Sunday, it will be a windy and cold morning. Please wake up in the afternoon and you'll see lots of clouds. It will be so cold. So if you go out in the morning, promise to wear a sweater and some long pants. It will be a windy and cold day. From Sunday to Saturday would be a hot and windy morning. Please wear your shades. Even hold on to your hats and your shades because everything could flew off. Hold on if you have some paper or anything like objects that could fly away. This is reporting Francesca on the news. On Monday, when you wake up early, you must wear a sweater, some long pants when you go to school. Thank you for reporting that Tuesday is a great day because some people, maybe you'll have ballet. Thank you for talking about Wednesday. I hope you report like me. And Wednesday, it will be the same thing as Saturday in the afternoon. Thank you for reporting us. Bye.